In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for creative writing, a step-by-step guide. First, clear any old thread memory, so past character traits, world rules, or stylistic habits don't bleed into your new project. On the main dashboard, head to the bottom left corner, click your profile picture, open Settings, choose Personalization, then Manage Memories. Skim through what's stored, remove anything unrelated, and give your new idea a clean slate. This prevents subtle bias and helps the model lock onto your current voice and goals. Next, pick the engine tier that matches your task. At the very top of the chat window, use the model selector. Choose the instant tier when you want rapid brainstorming, long lists of character names, quick sensory snippets, or speedy synonym lookups. It's built for millisecond responses. Switch to the thinking tier when depth matters, complex character psychology, multi-chapter plot architecture, pacing repairs, or intricate world building rules. Matching the tier to the job keeps you efficient without sacrificing quality. Now prime the model with a creative brief instead of a short, vague command. Press Shift plus Enter to craft a detailed multi-line prompt. For example, type, act as an elite fiction novelist, master creative writing coach, and literary editor. I want to build a rich narrative blueprint for insert your genre and premise. Before you write any scenes or outlines, ask me 3 highly targeted questions one by one regarding my intended story theme, my protagonist's internal conflict, and the overall narrative tone so we can customize this roadmap perfectly. When the questions appear, answer them one at a time. This alignment phase is where your voice and intent take shape. After that, open your narrative outline canvas so planning lives beside your chat. Type, canvas, create a structured story production brief based on our data. Organize the roadmap into a clean table displaying chapter/scene number, core plot milestone, central character dynamics, and key sensory details to include. Your screen will split with prompts on the left and an interactive document editor on the right, keeping everything organized and editable. With your outline or draft visible in Canvas, edit prose inline. Highlight a sentence or row, click the small comment bubble, and give a precise instruction such as, "This description relies too much on telling." Rewrite it using the show don't tell rule. Emphasize the cold temperature of the room, the flickering blue fluorescent light, and the physical tension in the character's shoulders. Only that selection updates. For quick voice adjustments, use the tone slider in the bottom right and nudge it toward creative or descriptive to enrich imagery. Finally, maintain continuity and export. Highlight your world rules or character profiles, click the comment bubble and say, "Save these core parameters to your active memory ledger for this thread." Then use the export//download button in the Canvas header to save your brief or chapters as a Word document, Markdown file, or PDF ready for your writing folder. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.